Hey everybody, Nakul from IELTS. I really hope everybody is doing fantastic. A good news today that I've finally decided to share an essay template, a generic essay template that works for most of the agree-disagree questions. Not most, every agree-disagree question you can just rely on this essay template, and guess what? Many are getting 7, 7.5 and even 8, 100% verified. You can see our YouTube shorts, YouTube videos. Many people have got even 7, 7.5, 8 using the same template. Well, I'm going to unveil each and every strategy with respect to how to make use of this template. So make sure you watch the video till the end without forwarding, because every minute of it is very critical. So alright, let's start with this template that we have made. But before that, you need to understand few things. In IELTS writing, there are 4 components that actually gives you mark. The first one is task response. That means for whatever the question, have you written the correct answer? What is your name? Have you written the answer for this question? Some people don't say what is their name. Some people say what is their father's name. The question is what is your name? Answer written is for something else. That is task response. Second is coherence, cohesion. We'll come back on this. Third is grammar, vocabulary. 90% of the students focus on grammar and vocabulary, but what gives you mark is not just these two. The priority is the first two, that is task response and coherence, cohesion. Let me just share my screen. So these are the 4 things that I was talking about. So why do you need a template? Everybody, 90% of the people struggle in this second part. Coherence, cohesion is an art. It's a narration. How do you narrate a story? First you introduce a main idea and then supporting idea and then example. For that you need the right connectors. If you choose a wrong connector, marks gone. And if this becomes 6.5, trust me, 7 is not possible, even if your task response is perfect. So people usually don't have problem in the grammar and vocabulary if you have a decent English, but unless you have a decent English, you need to work on these, the bottom 2 as well. But the top 2, task response, there are many videos that I have made, but this coherence, cohesion is the problem, and for that we make use of a super awesome working template that can guarantee you a very good score if you know how to rightly implement. So let's continue with this template. For this question, for example, by the way, this template that I have shared today is purely for agree disagree. Any agree disagree question, you can just blindly use this. Let's look at the question. Some people believe that technology is making people less sociable. Do you agree or disagree with this statement? So it's an agree disagree. It's telling technology is making people less sociable. So this is the template for the introduction. Just to copy paste exactly as it is, you require less than a minute to finish the introduction. A lot of people take more than 10 minutes to write introduction. Using the template, you can write in less than a minute. Note this down. In today's society, you just need to paraphrase the question. What is paraphrasing? Whatever the words that the technology is making people less sociable, the same thing you will write in other words. You will not use your brain, that is nothing. You will not use your thoughts. Just whatever is there, you paraphrase. We will see how to do that. Some people believe that whatever is there, you write the statement, while others disagree with this idea. Exactly copy paste. I will show you how to do it. In this essay, I will explain why same thing you copy paste and provide the examples to support my opinion. Let's see a small demonstration of this particular template here. In today's society, pay more attention, it's very easy in today's society. Paraphrase the question. Technology is making people less sociable. Something with respect to technology, I'll write technology is an integral part of our daily lives. Some people believe that, some people believe that. State the statement you're agreeing with or disagreeing with. Let's say you're agreeing with this or disagreeing with this, you can write some people believe that technology is making people less sociable. Same thing I wrote, while others disagree. In this essay, I will explain why I is an agree disagree. You choose your viewpoint. Why I disagree with the statement that exact copy paste technology is making people less sociable, and provide examples to support my opinion. This will not take more than a minute to write. We have already checked this with a lot of students of ours. By the way, if you want an online feedback, online paid course, online paid feedback, any point of time, one-to-one feedback, you can text us in the WhatsApp. I will be there, we will be there to guide you and to tell you. A lot of students on an everyday basis are getting 7, 7.5 and even 8. You can verify the same in our Insta page, Skills PT, or in the YouTube shorts. So this is about introduction using template. You can write in less than a minute. Just try this, I'm telling you, just memorize this. It will take some time for you to get used to this, but once you're done with it, trust me, it just flows like the river that flows in a the water that flows in a river. Alright, let's get into the body paragraph 1. Something important, just follow this exact thing, it will work for any agree disagree essay. Firstly, you need to introduce the topic sentence and the main idea we will see, and this is because give a supporting idea, we will tell you how to create an idea for that. You need to write one example and then you should write, therefore it is clear that. Very simple, we will just see how to do it. Firstly, technology has enabled people. Now write a main idea because you said you disagree with the viewpoint in the previous slide, right? Technology is making people less sociable and we disagreed with that. So, now we will see how to do that. First, you need to write, firstly, it is a connector, very important. Technology has enabled people to connect with others on a global scale. This is because, now why do you think technology has enabled people to connect with others on a global scale? Put a question mark. Why? Probably the advent of the technology, internet, mobile phones have made it more easier for people to connect. That is the reasoning, right? Just write. Don't do anything, whatever the main idea you have, just put a question mark and whatever your mind says, just put it there. Due to advent of internet and mobile phones, connecting online has become more widespread irrespective of the location. Any example? That is what, for example, the same example here. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram provide people with opportunity to connect with friends and family who live in different places, parts of the world. And now you, moreover, it is not furthermore, furthermore is another idea, moreover is a continuation of the previous idea. Apart from this, along with this, for the same idea you continue. Video chat applications like Skype, you talked about Facebook, Twitter, now you talk about Zoom. Teams, Skype and Zoom allow people to have face-to-face conversations with their loved ones even when they are far away. Now pay more attention. We started with, pay more attention is something really important. We started with, firstly, we started with this and then we gave a supporting idea. We gave example which is in 2 sentences. First sentence is one example, moreover, and we continued. This is very important for your coherence cohesion. I am telling you just to follow. Trust us and follow. Otherwise, it will not work. You have to trust and just follow and see the result. There could be a drastic change in your result with just these few words. Very important, moreover, or you can also write apart from this. There are many other things with which you can write this as well, and therefore, it is clear that technology is not making people less sociable. Very important, very good structure, proved, it has been proved that this is giving a very good score. You just have to make use of this moreover. For instance, this is because firstly, therefore, it is clear that. But in the next body paragraph, we have many words written in the template. It is an agree disagree essay. You agree with one thing, but you also have to say why you do not agree with the other particular thing. Less sociable, people believe that technology is making others less sociable, but it is not true. You need those things. For that you need to make use of the word. On the other hand, however, there are many things. Follow the template, every agree disagree, this you just make use of it and see the magic. Additionally, you just continue one more main idea and then explain the second reason for your position. That is a main idea. Here you do not have to write this is because it is going to be a lengthy paragraph, because we also target the other part of it. Hope you are getting it. So, an example of this can be seen. You write an example. Furthermore, further explanation you write, and on the other hand, now you talk about the other area. Some people believe that counter argument very important, and however, just write. Just remember this, automatically you would fill the required logic for the question. Rebuttal to the counter argument means going against it as a result. Remember this. Additionally, you write one more main idea and some example, and then you, on the other hand, some people feel that technology is making them less sociable. However, it is not true. Those people are ignorant people. Something of this we are going to prove. Just follow this. On the other hand, however, on the other hand, however, automatically the coherence cohesion will be perfect. Let us see how do we implement that. Additionally, technology can actually enhance social interactions by providing people with new ways to connect with others. That is our new idea. For example, video games, virtual reality environments allow people to engage in social activities that would not be possible otherwise. Further, or you can say moreover, in these environments, people can meet others with similar interests and engage in cooperative activities. Now, this is similar to what we used before, but after this template intelligently allows you to add on the other hand. Otherwise, I am telling you, your score will be stuck at 6.5. On the other hand, some people exactly copy paste argue that technology is making people less sociable because it encourages people to spend more time on their devices than interacting. However, this argument is wrong. This argument is flawed because it assumes that all technology use is isolating. In reality, people can use technology to facilitate face-to-face interactions as a result. So, basically what we are doing, we are agreeing with one particular thing, at the same time we are disagreeing the other things. On the other hand, people believe it is so, however it is not because of this reason. As a result, go back to your viewpoint, technology can actually be catalyst for socialization rather than a barrier for it. Most important, I am telling you, this transition will actually decide whether you can get 7 or not. Coherence, cohesion is all about narration, something very important. Just note it down. You can watch the video again. This video will not be deleted. It's not a limited version video. You can have a look at it any point of time, but just see through it how the transition is happening. Now forget about the template and just highlight. Just watch these words highlighted in yellow. Additionally, for example, further. So this is another main idea, and on the other hand, we're trying to prove why I don't think that technology is making people less sociable. We told about technology is helping people to interact. That's the question. We also have to talk on the other side, because that is there in the question. People don't write this because they don't have a particular structure for a particular format or a template. Use this template. Automatically, every aspect of it will be cleared. Will this work for law changes human behavior? Definitely yes. Any agree disagree question, just make use of it. On the other hand, however, very important, just not like memorize this. On the other hand, people argue that however it is not so. As a result, I am going to agree with my viewpoint. Don't you think, don't you feel that this is giving you that vibe of getting that 7? If you just have to put the right things into that, rather, these things actually will help you what to put inside it. Let it go in a flow. I'm going to experiment. I'm going to show you how to do that in another essay. In the end, I have a question you guys can write down and comment for a free feedback. My team or I will look into it and give you everything we have. Just make sure you watch the video till the end. Conclusion also you can just copy paste. While it is true that, acknowledge the counter argument, while it is true that technology actually may make people less sociable, the benefits of this technology far outweigh the drawbacks. Therefore, I strongly disagree with the statement that technology makes people less sociable. Hope you are getting it. Exactly copy paste. In conclusion, while it is true that technology can be distraction and cause people to spend less time, the benefits of technology for socialization far outweigh the drawbacks. Exactly copy paste. Conclusion, 1 minute you can finish. Introduction, 1 minute. The rest 38 minutes you can spend your entire time into body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2, and there also you have the template giving you what to write. Hope you are getting it. Therefore, I strongly disagree with the statement that technology is making people less sociable, and believe, if you want you can write that or you can remove it, believe that believe that technology can be a valuable tool for fostering social connections. Try implementing and see the magic. I have got one more question. If at all you have a doubt, do leave a comment in the comment section. One more question is this. Half I have written it here for a different question using the same template. The other half I want you guys to write. Read the question. Some people believe that technology is, again topic is about technology, making our lives easier and more convenient. Others believe it is making us more isolated and disconnected. In today's society, technology plays an important role in our daily lives. Some people believe that, while others argue. In this essay, I will explain why. This is very important. Same structure I am telling you for any agree disagree essay you can write, just that you need some practice, less than a minute. For sure you can write it down. And I agree with the statement that technology is making our lives easier and more convenient. Firstly, this is because, for example, therefore. First, the technology has made communication easier. This is because with the advent of smartphones, people can connect effortlessly. For example, Facebook, Twitter provide the opportunity who live in different parts of the world, which has enabled people to maintain relationships, also facilitated cross-border businesses. Therefore, it is clear technology has made our lives easier. This was easy. But the next paragraph you also need to write, on the other hand, however, as a result. On the other hand, however, as a result, because this is what decides whether you can get 7 or not. So, the remaining essay, I request people to write. You don't have to request me to give feedback. We'll definitely give the feedback. Do leave a comment in the comment section. Don't send in the WhatsApp, please. WhatsApp and all is for the online paid people. It's a registered codes. Do leave a comment in the comment section. Myself or my team will look into it thoroughly and give you the free feedback. Please do comment. I'm telling you because there's an opportunity for you to, to make use of the template, understand, and this is the template. Additionally, for example, furthermore or further or moreover, on the other hand, however, as a result, remember this transition and see the magic. I'll just await all of viewers who have watched this video to leave a comment and make most use of this to understand whether you are in the right path towards that 7 or not. And any point of time you need online assistance, you can text us in the WhatsApp. I will be there helping you understand what mistakes you're doing. A team will be there. We will guide you in the right way. Alright guys, fine. Thanks much. Do click on the subscribe button if not, because I'm gonna come up with a lot of videos every now and then. Every 2 days once we will make videos and help you achieve that band-aid quite easily. Do click on the subscribe button at any point of time you need online assistance. You can text us on the WhatsApp. This is Nakul signing off from Skills IELTS. Very soon I'll be back. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.